exercise number 5, that is file operation. In file operation we'll be having the description is the operations used here grep, wc and sed. So the first question is, write a shell script to find the frequency of occurrences of an alphabet and a word in the content of the given file name. So we'll be giving grep a minus underscore 0 o and file name by wc minus l. So this is the command we need to give, so we will be getting run. So write a shell script to and replace a word in a file. So we will be using sed. So in this we will be giving sed space colon as an unix linux and g and file name dot txt. So we'll be getting the string what we had typed in before. So in this we will be getting, so write a shell script write a shell script to replace a word in a file. So we'll be using that one. So write a shell script that given person user id and tells you how many times that a person is logged on that use case. Use last grep wc command. So we'll be getting, so in this write a shell script that takes file name as argument and print the file information such as inode number, permission text, links, owner id, group id, etc. So we'll be having a code echo into the file name. We have to read the file. So in this we'll be creating if file, then if li dollar file, so echo inode number and permissions, links, owner id, group id, it will be printed. So echo file doesn't exist. So when we are creating a file vs 5 experiment.sh, we will be getting enter the file name. So we will be entering the file name what we have created before. So we will be getting all the inode number, permission, links, owner id and group id. So write a shell script that takes user id argument and prints the person's name, home directory, shell and group numbers. So we will be creating a file, another file. So in that we will be getting inode number, links and that all. So write a shell script to test various properties associated with a file. Check if file exists, check file is readable, writable, executable, ordinary file, directory has size greater than 0. So in this we had to read a file and file has not the permission to read, echo. So we will be creating that one. So has the permission to write and has no permission to write. So this is the code. So when we are creating a file, so when we are executing that, if the file has been the file has not permissions to read, it will be printing. So has no permissions to write and cannot be executed, it is not a directory, it is not a file, the file doesn't exist, it is a ordinary file. All the outputs which are given in the question are displayed. The commands are successfully compiled and executed.